morning breaks the heavy night. I see your love in the soft sunlight. Every shadow fades away. Your mercy meets me here today. At your feet I lay down every worry, every crown. At your feet I lay down all my fears, they can't be found. The storm may rage, the waves may roar, but your peace becomes my shore. I hear you whisper through the wind, a quiet voice that pulls me in. Your arms so wide, they hold me near. Your love so deep, it drowns my fear. At your feet I lay it down, every worry, every crown. At your feet I lay it down, all my fears, they can't be found. Every tear, every pain, every loss, every gain, I bring it here, I bring it now. At your feet I lay it down. At your feet I lay it down, every worry, every crown. At your feet I lay it down, all my fears, they can't be found. Waves crash hard on my weary shore. I can't see the light no more. The clouds, they whisper heavy and gray, but I know you're still awake. Hold me steady, keep me near. In your arms, there's no more It dries my eyes, it stills my fears. Be my peace in every storm. Calm the seas, keep my heart warm. Be my anchor, strong and sure. Through it all, your love endures. Oh, oh, oh. Every thunder, every rain, you carry me through every pain. You are the shelter, the solid ground. When I'm lost, you pull me found. Be my peace in every storm. Calm the seas, keep my heart warm. Be my heart warm. Be my air, strong and sure. Strong and sure. Through it all, your love endures. Oh, oh. The sun wakes the morning sky. I lift my hands, no reason why. The wind whispers soft and low. Your love's the truth I'll always know. Breath of heaven, fill my soul. Make me new, make me whole. Breath of heaven, take control. Breath of heaven, fill my soul. The rivers dance, they sing your name. The stars align, they praise the same. Your mercy rains like drops of gold. A story ancient yet retold. Breath of heaven, fill my soul. Make me new, make me whole. Breath of heaven, take control. Breath of heaven, Mountains tremble at your name. Oceans rise then fall again. You hold it all. You hold it all. Stars collide but you remain. Love unbroken through the pain. Here I bow. You are holy. Here I bow. You are holy. Every light is Christ. You are holy. Shadows flee where light is tread. You turn ashes into bread. You call my soul. You call my soul. Chains will break as mercy sings. Freedom flows from heaven's springs. Here I bow. You are holy. Here I bow. You are holy. Every breath cries. You are holy. Waves of mercy roll so wide in the quiet where I hide. I hear your voice, it calls my name. A gentle fire, a steady flame. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. Your light breaks through the darkest skies. A whisper soft, it lifts and flies. You mend the cracks, you heal the fall. I am yours, I give it all. Holy Spirit, rest Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. Holy Spirit, rest on me. Like the wind upon the sea. Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. I walk the valley low and deep. Shadows stretch where the night can't sleep. But you are the light that breaks my fear. Mountains tremble when you speak. The earth bows down so meek, and I find my shelter when you draw near. Only you, my hiding place, your arms of love, my sweetest grace. In the storm, you calm the waves. Only you, only you, my hiding When doubt whispers like a thief at night, you wrap me in truth and make it right. Your mercy flows like a healing stream. Every tear I cry, you hold. Your promises are pure as gold, and you paint my life with eternal dreams. The waves rise high, they crash and roar. My fate feels small, like it can't endure. But you are steady, you are sure. When the winds cry loud and the night seems proud, I hear your voice so clear. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my soul to lead. Teach my heart to trust you, even when I can't see. Teach my heart to trust you. The desert stretches dry and wide. No sign of rain, no place to hide. But you are water, you provide. When my hope runs thin and my strength wears in, your promise draws me near. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my soul to lead. Teach my heart to trust you, even when I can't see. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my soul to lead. Teach my heart to trust you, even when I can't see. Teach my heart to trust you. The sun that rises, it bows to you. The stars at night, they shine your truth. Every breath I take, it's all for you, it's all for you. Mountains tremble, oceans roar. Your love endures forevermore. You are worthy, forever worthy, yeah, yeah. You are holy, so holy. Ooh, you are worthy, forever worthy. Oh, my King. Oh, my King. My everything, yeah. Oh, melody pure. Sing it now. Creation waits, your love is sure. Ooh, every heart will bow, no soul unsure. Oh, angels gather, lift your name. Heaven's chorus does the same. You are worthy, forever worthy, forever. You are worthy, so holy. Ooh, you are worthy, forever worthy. Oh, my King, my King, everything, The sun falls low, but you still shine. In the dark, your love is mine. Every tear you catch like rain. Healing whispers soothe my pain. I'm not alone, I never roam. Your presence is my home. Your presence is my home. Where I'm safe, where I'm known. Oh, your arms, they hold my soul. Your presence is my home. The waves may crash, but I won't drown. Your voice calms the raging sound. When I falter, you still stay. You're my guide, my only way. I'm not alone, I never roam. Your presence is my home. Your presence is my home. Where I'm safe, where I'm known. Oh, your arms, they hold my soul. Your presence is my Morning breaks the heavy night. I see your love in the soft sunlight. Every shadow fades away. Your mercy meets me here today. At your feet I lay it down. Every worry, every crown. At your Peace becomes my shore. I hear you whisper through the wind, a quiet voice that pulls me in. Your arms so wide, they hold me near. Your love so deep, it drowns my every pain, every loss, every gain. I bring it here, I bring it now. At your feet I lay it Waves crash hard on my weary shore. I can't see the light no more. The clouds, they whisper heavy and gray, but I know you're still awake. Hold me steady, keep me near. In your arms, there's no more fear. Be my peace in every storm. carry me through every pain. You are the shelter, the solid ground. When I'm lost, you pull me found. Be my peace in every storm. Calm the seas, keep my heart warm. Be my heart warm. Be my air, strong and sure. Strong and sure. Through it all, your love endures. Oh, whoa. The sun wakes the morning sky. I lift my hands, no reason why. The wind whispers soft and low. Your love's the truth I'll always know. Breath of heaven, fill my soul. Make me new, make me whole. Breath of heaven, take control. Breath of heaven, fill my soul. The rivers dance, they sing your name. The stars align, they praise the same. Your mercy rains like drops of gold. A story ancient yet retold. Breath of heaven, fill my soul. Make me new, my soul, make me fully whole, yeah. Draw me nearer to your heart, closer still where we won't part. Every beat, Lord, let me feel your love, so deep, so real. Draw me nearer, draw me near. Draw me mountains tremble at your name, oceans rise then fall again. You hold it all, you hold it all. Stars collide but you remain, love unbroken through the pain. Here I bow, you are holy. Here I bow, you are holy. Every light is Christ. You are holy. Shadows flee where light is tread. You turn ashes into bread. You call my soul, you call my soul. Chains will break as mercy sings. Freedom flows from heaven's springs. Here I bow, you are holy. Here I bow, you are holy. Every breath gentle fire, a steady flame. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. Your light breaks through the darkest skies, a whisper soft, it lifts and flies. You mend the cracks, you heal the fall. I am yours, I give it all. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. Hold and stay, don't drift away. Hold me close, don't let me stray. In your shadow, I will be forever here, eternally. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Fill this heart, set it free. Holy Spirit, rest on me. I walk the valley low and deep. Shadows stretch where the night can't sleep. But you are the light that breaks my fear. Mountains tremble when you speak. The earth bows down so meek, and I find my shelter when you draw near. Only you, my hiding place, your arms of love, my sweetest grace. In the storm, you calm the waves. Only you. You wrap me in truth and make it right. Your mercy flows like a healing stream. Every tear I cry, you hold. Your promises are pure as gold, and you paint my life with eternal dreams. Only you, my hiding place, your arms of love, my sweetest grace. In the storm, you calm the waves. Only you, only you, my hiding Only you, my hiding place, your arms of love, my sweetest grace. In the storm, you calm the waves. Only you, only you, my hiding place. The waves rise high, they crash and roar. My fate feels small, like it can't endure. But you are steady, you are sure. When the winds cry loud and the night seems proud, I hear your voice so clear. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my soul to lead. Teach my heart to trust you, even when I can't see. Teach my heart to trust you. The desert stretches dry and wide. No sign of rain, no place to hide. But you are water, you provide. When my hope runs thin and my strength wears in, your promise draws me near. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my soul to lead. Teach my heart to trust you. Teach my soul to lead. Teach my heart to trust you, even when I can't see. Teach my heart to trust you. The sun that rises, it bows to you. The stars at night, they shine your truth. Every breath I take, it's all for you, it's all for you. Mountains tremble, oceans roar. Your love endures forevermore. You are worthy, forever worthy, yeah, yeah. You are holy, so holy. Ooh, you are worthy, forever worthy. Oh, my King. Oh, my King. My everything, yeah. Oh, my King. The sparrow sings, its melody pure. Sing it now. Creation waits, your love is sure. Ooh, every heart will bow, no soul unsure. Oh, angels gather, lift your name. Heaven's chorus does the same. You are worthy, forever worthy, forever. You are worthy, so holy. Ooh, you are worthy, forever worthy. Oh, my King. My King. Everything, the sun falls low, but you still shine. In the dark, your love is mine. Every tear you catch like rain. Healing whispers soothe my pain. I'm not alone, I never roam. Your presence is my home. Your presence is my home. Where I'm safe, where I'm known. Oh, your arms, they hold my soul. Your voice calms the raging sound. When I falter, you still stay. You're my guide.